Hello everybody. Today I want to walk you through how to embed your Edcanvas project on your Weebly website. So to get started, you need to be logged into Edcanvas, and here I'm logged into my account and I can see the Canvas projects that I've created and some of those that are have also been created on the site, and I can actually view and share and embed any of those. So if something's been shared with you that you'd like to embed on your website, or if you find a project on Edcanvas that you'd like to embed on your website and share with your students, you're able to do that. But for this one, I'm going to go to the Intro to Edcanvas, and to be able to embed it, I either need to click Edit or Play. I'm going to click on Edit for now. And in the top right corner, you see the Share button. I click Share. And here it automatically takes me to the shared settings for an Edcanvas project. And you can set it so that only you can see your Edcanvas, either on your site, in your Edcanvas account, or on your website. You'd have to be logged in to be able to see it from your website. Or you can share it with anyone, or only people with the link. And what we found works best is if you share it with anyone. That way other educators have access to your work as well. You've got two options here below where you can get just the link, so you could share the link on your website and say click here to view this Edcanvas, and clicking this link would allow someone to go to the Edcanvas site and view your presentation. Again, for us, we're going to embed this on our website. So I click in this frame, and as soon as I click, in this box, as soon as I click in this box, it automatically selects all the text. But just to make sure, I like to hit Command A to make sure that I've selected all. You can also do that under Edit. Say Select All, and then Command C, or on a PC it's Control C, lets you copy all of this text, or you can right click and say Copy, or again you can go to Edit and Copy. So once I've copied this bit of text, I can close this window. And I'm going to go back over to my Weebly site, and here I've got some information from my Web 2.0 class. And under Presentation Tools, I've got Edcanvas listed here, and I wrote a little bit about Edcanvas so that I have some context for what this project is all about and what this tool can do. And I grab a custom HTML element from my toolbar at the top. And here it says click to set custom HTML. You do need to click on that text to add your custom HTML. But again, here you can either right click and say paste, or you can hit Control V to paste. But it pastes in all of that text. You can see it's an element called an iframe. You see that text at the beginning. And there's a couple settings. We'll come back to this text again, but I want you to notice a couple of settings right away as you were looking at this code. And it's hard to make sense of all of the code, but the two numbers that you should be aware of are the 800, that is the width of this iframe, and the 550, that's the height. So if I click off of this, I'm going to have my Edcanvas embedded on my website. And what I notice right away is that part of my project is cut off. We've seen that a lot with your projects that have been submitted already. So I've lost some of that data on the side. So again, if I click in to the box, and you usually have to click somewhere in that text window, in that HTML custom window that doesn't have code in it. If I click right here in the Intro to Canvas area, I don't get any options. But if I click just above it, in the, kind of that white space there, I can get back to edit the text. And if I need to, if it just isn't working, I could delete the element and then bring in a new custom HTML and paste the code back in. But I want to change this from a width of 800 to a width of 700 so that it fits a little better on my website. So after I change that, it takes a minute to refresh and reload. But you see, now it fits on my site. I've got this sidebar here with some other information that I want to leave. So some of you are posting in your blogs and they always have a sidebar. Some of you are posting on your websites and they have narrow editing space. So being able to edit that HTML code is helpful. If you get stuck, please ask. But now that that's embedded on my website, when I publish my site live, anyone who views the site can find and edit or find and interact with my Edcanvas project. So again, going to my live site, and I just need to track down my project here. So here's my presentation tools. Here's my Edcanvas project. So my Edcanvas is here. I can interact with it by clicking on the text tools and see some of the products that are there. I can also open this on Edcanvas by clicking on the link here. And then all of the tiles that I've created are available if I scroll down right within my website. If you have questions, please ask, and we'll see you in class.